If you see the world through the eyes of a child, you'll find wonder and magic everywhere. I find such magic and great joy in some simple things at home, such as fairy lights. It's been a source of wonder for me from my childhood days. My mom mentions to this day that when they first took me out to a fair, I was starstruck by the lights so much that I refused to even blink. I guess when it comes to fairy lights, I'll always be a little girl comparing them to fireflies, star-studded skies, or even liquid gold. Most recently, my son even referred to them as honey drops. In this video, I'm excited to share 9 ways you can style some simple fairy lights to add a little whimsy and plenty of warmth to your homes. Before we get into that, do remember to subscribe to my channel to see more of such videos. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Light up a lantern. One of the easiest ways to style fairy lights is to simply put them inside a lantern. You can use candle holder lanterns, kerosene lanterns, paper lanterns, and even Moroccan style lamps to style the fairy lights at your home. Number 2. Tea and lights. A creative way to style fairy lights to add some real-life magic to your home is to repurpose an unused teapot and create a pouring of light effect by letting the fairy lights come out of the spout. You can also do this with a garden watering can. Number 3. Water jug magic. If you have a transparent water jug at home, how about making it a whimsical centerpiece for your get-togethers? Simply put in some fairy lights and let it act as a conversation starter. Number 4. Terrarium fairies. You can convert small terrarium globes or tea light holders into a DIY pendant lamp by tying them at varying lengths and then simply threading and weaving in the fairy lights from the top to the base with the help of the holes available on these globes. Number 5. Pickle jars reimagined. Got any old pickle or jam jars gathering dust? Simply get 2 or 3 of them and once again tie them at varying heights. Now simply put in the fairy lights in the jars, add some flowers for the finishing touch, and you're done. Definitely a great option for a date night setup. Number 6. Planter turned lamp. If you have any interesting planters at home, maybe you could use them to create a unique tabletop or shelf lamp. Face style planter pots can be fun to style this way with fairy lights. Look at all those neurons firing up. Number 7. Sunshine in my pocket. How about putting in some star lights into one of your old clutch style bags? If you have something like this, it can add both whimsy and an earthy aspect to your home. Number 8. Go fetch a branch. Go for a walk and come back with a branch. You can use this with a coat of spray paint or acetus. Simply wind the fairy lights around it, add some flowers, and put it in any old bottle you have at home to instantly light up a corner. Now, for the last and easily my family's favorite. Number 9. The chemistry of lights. If you can get your old chemistry class test tubes, then here is a good use for them. Simply get a small slab of plywood. We got this piece as a part of some product packaging. Now, push in a certain length of fairy lights into each test tube and glue them at regular intervals from each other. You can use it with additional decor such as air plants to brighten up your dining table for a dinner gathering, or add a string around the wood slab and hang it for your own little rustic chandelier. There's a saying I love that goes, "Stars are fairy lights that cannot be reached." So for all of us in cities for whom even seeing stars at night is a privilege, it's great to bring some dreamy magic indoors with fairy lights. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite style in the comments below. Please show this video some love, like, share and subscribe. Also, press that bell icon so you stay updated on all my fun upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a magical day.